Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss C++ programming languages. So first of all, I have a question that why we are using programming languages. Okay, so we are using programming languages to give easiness to our work. Which type of easiness? Like when we don't have calculators, we are using calculations on stones on our fingers, and if we have big calculations, so we are not able to do calculations, but we are enabled to make calculators. What is in calculator? We calculator in calculator there is a program which runs and execute a program and give you the output of the calculation. So what is C++? C++ is a cross-platform language. Means when you make a program of C++ language on a platform, it will work and runs on many other platforms like Dev C++ is a platform, Visual Studio Code is a platform, Visual Studio is another platform. So this language is developed by Bjarne Stroustrup. He was a great mathematician and also he was a computer scientist. He made C++ form as the extension of C language. C language is the mother language of C++, but it don't have features in C as in C++. Like it gives high level control of system memory and resources, which means you can directly access the memory of a system and manipulate it. C++ is a very interesting language. So main topics which we are covering in the upcoming videos. So these are input output streams, what are variables, what are different data types, operators, comments, loops, conditional statements, arrays, functions, structures, pointers, classes and objects. So if we are talking about the types of C++ programming, so there are two types of these C++ programming. Number one is procedural programming, which means you have to follow a procedure. We have to follow a procedure to do a program. And number two is object-oriented programming, which means this programming is real-world programming in which you are making classes and objects. Like you have a class of vehicle and you have an object of car. Car is the object of vehicle. These types of object-oriented programming. So we are discussing these concepts in the upcoming videos. This will provide you only the overview of the concepts of C++. So if we are talking about the advantages of C++, so the advantages are simple. This language is very simple and clear. When you read the function of it, you can easily determine what this function is going to do. Number machine independent but platform dependent. When you make a C++ program on Windows or Windows user, it will work. But when you make program for MacBook user, so it will do some error. Like it will do it. It was a the C++ language was a machine dependent language. Direct access memory. You can directly access the memories as I taught you in the previous slide. Rich library support. You have a rich library support. So the word library determine that is a collection of things. So in the library you have collection of functions. When you include the library in your program, you can access all the functions of that library. Speed of execution. When you make a C++ program, it will execute very fast and provide you the result of that from other languages. And another advantage of this is object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is the advantage of it that I taught you in the previous slide, that we have not to follow the procedure, whether we have to make classes, whether we have to make functions. Only we are using creating an object, and then we call the program classes and functions of it. So these are the concepts of C++. So in the upcoming videos, we are going to discuss them deeply, and program the we are going to program the C++ programs. So thank you for watching the videos.